Hello viewers, today we are talk about Firmin Bats. 1874 to 1943 was a Belgian painter, pastel artist and decorator renowned for his portrait, still lifes and interior scenes. He was born into an artistic family in Brussels on 18 April 1874. His father Henry Beers was a respected decorative artist and professor, which helped Freeman develop a deep connection to the arts from an early age. Beers studied at the prestigious Academia Royale des Beaux-Arts in Brussels, where he was taught by renowned Belgian painters like Leon Frederick. His early training instilled in him strong technical skills, which later defined his meticulous style, although Pierce was proficient in various media, including oils and charcoals. He became particularly well known for his mastery of pastels, a medium he employed with great precision and sensitivity. BS subjects range from intimate domestic scenes to celebrate still lives, often depicted everyday objects like fruits, flowers, and furniture. His portraits, however, earned him widespread acclaim as he had the ability to capture not only the physical likeness of his sitters but also their personalities to combination of realism and warmth in his portraiture made him a favorite among the Belgian bourgeoisie who commissioned him frequently. One of the most notable aspects of B.S. work was his attention to detail, whether he was painting the texture of a velvet drapery, the gleam of the polished table, or the intricate features of a face. B.S. demonstrated an exceptional ability to reflect the subtlety of light and shadow. His work often conveyed a scene of calm and harmony, which reflected his careful observation of the world around him. Throughout his career, Freeman Bias participated in numerous exhibitions both in Belgium and internationally. He became a permanent figure in the Belgian art scene and was a member of various artistic societies. His work was regularly shown at the Brussels Salon and he also exhibited in Paris, London, and other European cities gained recognition beyond his homeland. In addition to his easel paintings, Bayes also worked as a decorative artist. He collaborated with architects and designers on interior decoration projects, producing murals and decorative panels for public buildings and private residence. His work in this field often featured classical themes and demonstrated his versatility as an artist. Despite his success during his lifetime, B.S. remained relatively modest and focused on his craft. He preferred the quiet of his studio to the bustling social life that many of his peers enjoyed. His dedication to his art is reflected in the sheer volume of work he produced over his lifetime, much of which is still preserved in museum and private collection. Freeman's B.S. passed away on December 1943 in his hometown of Versailles, leaving behind a legacy of finely crafted work that continue to be admired for their technical brilliance and timeless beauty. His art offers a glimpse into the everyday life of the early 20th century, and his meticulous approach to pastels remains an inspiration for artists today. In summary, Freeman B.S. was a masterful Belgian artist whose portraits, still lifes, and interior scenes captured the beauty of ordinary life with exceptional skills. His ability to work across various media, especially pastels, earned him a lasting place in the history of Belgian art.